In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell watches on eBay. Selling your watch collection on eBay can be a straightforward process if you know the steps to take, and I'm here to guide you through it. First things first, you want to navigate to ebay.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by clicking the register button and following the prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the eBay homepage. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the Sell button. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the seller's page where you can start listing your item. On this page, find and click on the List an Item button to begin creating your listing. Now it's time to input the details of the watch you're selling. In the search box, type in the brand, model, and year of your watch. This helps eBay to gather relevant listing suggestions for your watch. When you're ready, click the search icon. After searching, eBay will present you with the best matches for your watch. It's important to carefully choose and select the listing that best matches your timepiece. This ensures that you're in the right category and increases the chances of selling your watch quickly. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to specify the condition of your watch. Be honest about its condition, whether it's brand new, like new, or used, to align buyer expectations. After choosing the condition, click on Continue again to proceed. Now it's time to upload photos of your watch. High-quality images from various angles can significantly improve your chances of selling. Make sure the photos are clear and well lit to give potential buyers the best view of your watch. After the photos, describe your watch in the description box, or you can choose to use eBay's AI-generated descriptions, which can save you some time. However, adding personal touches about your watch's history or unique features can make your listing stand out. Following the description, select the shipping services you're willing to offer. Determine whether you'll ship domestically, internationally, or both, and set your shipping costs accordingly. Then, don't forget to specify the origin of your item. Accurately stating where you're shipping from allows buyers to anticipate delivery times better. Finally, with all your information in place, the last step is clicking List It. This publishes your watch listing on eBay for buyers to see. Remember to regularly check your listing for any buyer inquiries and have fun interacting with potential buyers. Thank you for joining me and learning how to sell watches on eBay. Happy selling.